It's the time for the package from China. Let's go! Hey, welcome back to the Wicked Brain Fart channel, where we're going to take a close look today at the 196 in 1. It's a very nice looking translucent game cartridge that contains a lot of games, and it also has a save function because this thing has a battery built in. So this new generation of cartridges have, let's say, a lot of to offer. Is it obsolete because there are so many ways to play? I don't know, I think it's more like a collectible gimmick nowadays, especially when you're looking at the cartridges. They are looking very nice. 196 games, a lot of different games, and so far I know there are not a lot of double games or not at all. So they're not like the cartridges that we've seen back in the 90s with a couple of games or a lot of repeat. So I'm curious, how good are the games actually and how will the save function work? But then overall, I'm curious, I hope you too. Consider subscribing, hit that bell, become one of the Wicked family, and let's go and let's find out what are we going to get on the cartridge itself. Okay guys, so on the cartridge itself we're going to get a lot of different games. But now we're also going to get a fancy menu. In the previous first release editions we had like this very basic menu back from the 90s, but now we're going to get a very nice menu with an indication what kind of system we are running it on, in this case in Europol. Just take consideration that the games will run a little bit slower than you're maybe used to, and it also comes with a tiny screenshot. So overall, when you're looking at the cartridge itself, it's not only collectible, but it's just a fun way to play your old school games. If you're having like a Sega Nomad, it's just a very easy way, and it feels almost like an authentic game card, but it is not at all, because it's made in China from the brand MindKit. MindKit made a lot of different pieces of hardware, including game systems, but a lot of multi-game cards, and the collections are kind of weird sometimes. This one it's a very nice collection because it's even on alphabetic order, so that makes it really easy to search your game. Of course, you always need to memorize what kind of games are on it like, but that is a little bit random with these multi-game cards. Now when we take a close look at the games itself, they are running just like the original deal. Of course, I'm running it on the PAL system, so it runs a little bit slower over here. But in the end, like, it is multi-region compatible, so you can play this on basically every single system. We have a lot of different multi-game cards out there. Take consideration, some have save function, some don't. I know it doesn't matter, like sometimes you don't have the save function but still have the games that need it in save file or in battery. That's something you need to know. But I love this shell, I love this collection. I think it's, if you're into the multi-game card collecting, I think it's a really cool one to have. I'm very pleased with it because it looks very nice. It has a lot of great games. But yeah, let me know in the comments what do you think of this. I want to thank you for watching. Consider subscribing, hit that little bell, become one of the Wicked family. And I will see you in the next Brainword video.